Well, I'm aligning the clutch with the disc and the plate, and what I used, because AutoZone was closed already when I was trying to get the tool. Well, I did perfectly find this socket, which is a 14 millimeter socket, and it fits perfectly. It's it's really perfect. It's aligning the disc, the clutch with the um, with the plate. Luckily, the socket fit the inner part and the outer part. These really saved my job because I forgot to get the tool to align back the clutch because I'm replacing this motor. But I really forgot to get the tool, to put everything back together. But this saved me. It's a 14 millimeter socket. You can use anything, in different situations, different sizes. But this one worked for this Nissan Versa 2013.